may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in exit row, please don't plug your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pockets and the area around your seat to make sure you have all your belongings, and be careful when opening the overhead bins. Once we arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. Any checked luggage may be retrieved from baggage carousel 3. Once again, that's baggage carousel 3.